Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to these practice questions on project management. These questions are based on Master in Project Management certification by Vskills. For a simulated exam, visit www.vskills.in. Question number 1. What should be your action if your project team is working with a vendor to correct some errors found during testing? The decision is made to work through lunch and order takeout. When the food is delivered, the vendor says the bill has been taken care of. The options are: A. Accept and thank the vendor for your lunch. B. Accept and tell him you will pay for lunch for everyone tomorrow. C. Keep working and pretend you did not hear what the vendor said. D. Decline and pay for your own meal. The correct answer is option D. Question number 2. Which of the following does not apply to project charter? The options are: A. It formally authorizes the project. B. It provides the project manager with authority to devote organizational resources to project activities. C. It identifies an external project sponsor. D. It includes a work breakdown structure, WBS, and associated WBS dictionary. The correct answer is option D. Question number 3. When a project manager should be assigned to a project? The options are: A. Before the start of project planning. B. After project charter is approved. C. During project planning. D. During project execution. The correct answer is option A. Question number 4. What is documented by project scope statement? The options are: A. What work is to be completed. B. What deliverables need to be produced. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 5. What does a statement of work, SOW, specify? The options are: A. Business need for the project. B. Project requirements. C. Strategic plan. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 6. Which of the following is not used during project selection to measure potential benefits associated with a project? The options are: A. Scoring model. B. Economic model. C. Mathematical model. D. Benefit contribution. The correct answer is option C. Question number 7. Whose subsystem does the change control system is? The options are: A. Configuration management. B. Project management. C. Risk management. D. Scope management. The correct answer is option A. Question number 8. Whom does the project manager's work is performed in conjunction with? The options are: A. External project sponsor. B. Project management team. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 9. Which phase is the earned value technique, EVT, measured starting from project initiation? The options are: A. Project planning. B. Project executing. C. Project controlling. D. Project closing. The correct answer is option D. Question number 10. What is included in the project scope management plan as part of the project management plan? The options are: A. Detailed project scope statement, preparation. B. Work breakdown structure, WBS creation. C. Formal verification specifications. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 11. Which project elements will change due to approved change requests? The options are A. Scope, B. Quality, C. Schedule, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 12. What is a deliverable-oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be performed by the project team? The options are A. Organizational breakdown structure, OBS, B. Milestone schedule, C. Work breakdown structure, WBS, D. Master schedule. The correct answer is option C. Question number 13. What is not done by the work breakdown structure, WBS, from the following? The options are A. Organizes and defines the entire scope of the project, B. Divides the project into smaller, more manageable tasks, C. Serves as a high-level planning tool for work planned, but not yet approved, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 14. What is the subdivision of project deliverables into smaller, more manageable components, where the final product categorizes project deliverables at the work package level? The options are A. Baselining, B. Critical path mapping, C. Decomposition, D. Resource leveling. The correct answer is option C. Question number 15. Which level of work breakdown structure, WBS, can reasonably estimate the project cost and schedule for deliverables? The options are A. Lowest level, B. Mid-level, C. Work package level, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D. Question number 16. What do you do if, as the project manager, the project sponsor believes the current scope is unattainable given the budget and scheduled end date, and your analysis of the original project assumptions and constraints show that scope reduction will not enable you to meet the originally estimated end date or budget? The options are A. Inform the project sponsor that a scope reduction will not allow the project to meet the original timeline or budget, and await further instruction. B. Re-estimate the entire project in terms of scope, timeline, and budget, and then present the project sponsor with each available option, given the project assumptions and constraints. C. Reduce the scope and proceed with the direction given by the project sponsor. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 17. What does one component of the scope baseline for a project is? The options are A. Preliminary project scope, B. Approved preliminary project scope, C. Detailed project scope, D. Approved detailed project scope. The correct answer is option D. Question number 18. What type of endeavor a project to undertake for creating a unique product, service, or result is of? The options are A. Permanent, B. Temporary, C. Ongoing, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 19. What type of activity is, if as a part of a project team, constructing a manufacturing plant, involves using process engineering to define the assumptions and constraints of the manufacturing process to be performed at the plant, which is then used to design the major manufacturing units within the plant, which in turn serves as the starting point for designing the detailed plant layout and all other associated facilities, and then the design drawings are completed for fabrication and construction requirements. The options are A. Analogous estimating. B. Assumptions analysis. C. Fast tracking. D. Progressive elaboration. The correct answer is option D. Question number 20. Which phase of a project has the highest risk of project failure? The options are A. Initiating. B. Planning. C. Executing. D. Controlling. The correct answer is option A. Question number 21. Which phase of a project has the greatest ability for project stakeholders to influence the project scope and cost of a project? The options are A. Initiating. B. Planning. C. Executing. D. Controlling. The correct answer is option A. Question number 22. How does the cost of changes to project scope generally change over the life cycle of a project? The options are A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Stabilize. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 23. Which is the common pattern of project cost and project staffing resources during the life cycle of a project? The options are A. Cost and staffing levels are high at the beginning of the project, stabilize during the middle phases of the project, and rapidly toward project closing. B. Cost and staffing levels are high at the beginning of the project, high during the middle phases of the project, and drop rapidly toward project closing. C. Cost and staffing levels are low at the beginning of the project, peak during the middle phases of the project, and drop rapidly toward project closing. D. Cost and staffing levels are low at the beginning of the project, rise during the middle phases of the project, and peak toward project closing. The correct answer is option C. Question number 24. What type of structure is an organization comprised by a full-time project manager with moderate project authority and a full-time project management administrative staff? The options are A. Functional. B. Weak matrix. C. Strong matrix. D. Project-centric. The correct answer is option C. Question number 25. Which of following defines a progressive elaboration, where the work to be performed within the near term is planned in detail, while work scheduled for further out is defined at only a high level in the work breakdown structure? The correct answer is option D. Question number 26. What is the most common precedence relationship used in the precedence diagramming method? The options are A. Finish to start. B. Finish to finish. C. Start to finish. D. Start to start. The correct answer is option A. Question number 27. Which of the following is not a type of dependency available in activity sequencing? The options are A. Discretionary dependencies. B. External dependencies. C. Internal dependencies. D. Mandatory dependencies. The correct answer is option C. Question number 28. What is the type of estimating called when a scheduled activity cannot be estimated with an adequate degree of certainty, the work within the activity can be decomposed, and the resource requirements for each lower, more detailed work package can be estimated and aggregated to form a basis for estimating the overarching scheduled activity? The options are A. Bottom-up estimating. B. Decomposed estimating. C. Should cost estimating. D. Three-point estimating. The correct answer is option A. Question number 29. What does crashing a project imply? The options are: A. Project cost and project schedule trade-offs occur to achieve the maximum schedule compression for the least cost to the project without compromising the intended scope of the project. B. Project cost and project schedule overruns, resulting in a project coming in over budget and over time but within the original, defined project scope. C. Throwing more resources at the project to meet the planned project end date and planned project scope. D. Another term for fast-tracking a project. The correct answer is option A. Question number 30. Which of the following factors are determined and evaluated for cost control of a project? The options are: A. The cause of a cost variance. B. The magnitude of a cost variance. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 31. What is planned value? The options are: A. The budgeted cost for work scheduled to be completed on an activity up to a specific time. B. The budgeted cost for the work actually completed on the schedule activity during a specific time period. C. The total cost for work on the schedule activity during a specific time period. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 32. What is the most commonly used performance measure for evaluating if work is being completed as planned at any given time point in a project? The options are: A. Cost variance, CV. B. Schedule variance, SV. C. Both CV and SV. D. Neither CV nor SV. The correct answer is option C. Question number 33. What is indicated for a project with a cost performance index, CPI value, less than 1.0? The options are: A. A cost overrun of the cost estimates. B. A cost underrun of the cost estimates. C. Neither a cost overrun nor a cost underrun. D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 34. What is the cost variance, CV, for the project? The correct answer is option D. Question number 35. What is the schedule variance, SV, for the project? The correct answer is option B. Question number 36. What is the cost efficiency of the project? The correct answer is option A. Question number 37. What is the schedule performance index, SPI, of the project? The correct answer is option A. Question number 38. What is called if comparing planned project practices from other comparable projects to the project to improve the quality of project and establish performance measurement baselines? The options are: A. Benchmarking. B. Continuous improvement. C. Metric creation. D. Quality assurance, QA. The correct answer is option A. Question number 39. What is called a structured, independent review to determine if project activities adhere to your project management plan and other project documentation, including all project policies, procedures, and standards? The options are: A. Assurance review. B. Organizational process assessment. C. Process analysis. D. Quality audit. The correct answer is option D. Question number 40. What is the activity of monitoring project activities and results to evaluate if the findings comply with applicable quality standards, as well as identifying mitigation strategies, is called as? The options are A. Quality assessment, B. Quality assurance, C. Quality control, D. Quality improvement. The correct answer is option C. Question number 41. Which of the following is not one of the 7 basic tools of quality? The options are A. Cause and effect diagram, B. Statistical sampling, C. Histogram, D. Scatter diagram. The correct answer is option B. Question number 42. What is Ishikawa diagrams also known as? The options are A. Cause and effect diagrams, B. Scatter diagrams, C. Fishbone diagram, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option D. Question number 43. What is a Pareto chart type of? The options are A. Cause and effect diagram, B. Control chart, C. Histogram, D. Scatter diagram. The correct answer is option C. Question number 44. Which of the following tasks does project communication planning includes? The options are A. Determining and limiting who will communicate with whom, and who will receive what information, B. Combining the type and format of information needed with an analysis of the value of the information for communication, C. Understanding how communication affects the project as a whole, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 45. What factors of communication technology can affect a project? The options are A. The urgency of the information need, B. The expected staffing on the project and their individual competencies, C. The length of the project, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Question number 46. Which of the following is an accurate statement? The options are A. Qualitative risk analysis occurs prior to quantitative risk analysis, B. Quantitative risk analysis occurs prior to qualitative risk analysis, C. Qualitative risk analysis is performed on risks that have been prioritized during quantitative risk analysis, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option A. Question number 47. Which of the scenario does a decision tree analysis is most helpful in evaluating project risk? The options are A. Describing a potential risk and the implications for each available choice and outcome associated with the risk, B. Describing a potential risk and the most likely choice and outcome associated with the risk, C. Describing a potential risk and the least likely choice and outcome associated with the risk, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 48. When does the identification of risks associated with a project takes place? The options are A. Occurs only at the beginning of a project, when the risk management plan is developed, B. Is an ongoing process, regularly scheduled, throughout the life cycle of a project, C. Occurs as needed, throughout the life cycle of a project, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option D. Question number 49. Who is responsible for tailoring a contract for goods and services to the needs of the project? The options are A. The project manager, B. The project management team, C. The attorneys, D. The contract manager. The correct answer is option B. Question number 50. What is called for the decision on whether a product or service can be produced by the project management team or can be purchased? The options are A. Buyer assessment, B. Expert judgment, C. Make or buy analysis, D. Procurement evaluation. The correct answer is option C. For Master in Project Management certification and more practice tests, visit www.vskills.in. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.